How to make fresh orange juice. Listen to me. Of course, you need fresh orange juices and make sure it's sweet after you wash it. Um, Peel it. We did it manually, so we did not use any tools. That's why it took some time, but we love it. It's okay. We are enjoying every moment. We also want to make sure that the pith or this white stuff are removed. It's actually edible, but you don't want that to be mixed in the juice because it will add a bitter taste. Okay, this is how we remove the seed, by using a scissor.
Pretty.
And then we arrange it, everything, on a big plate like that, for picture purposes. It really takes time and effort. I think it took us around less than an hour to do the cutting and all that. And this is actually a total of 8 pieces of oranges, or should I say sweet oranges. We were so lucky we found the best type of orange that is not too ripe and not very very early to be eaten. It's the best type of orange. And of course, we used our Hurom HT juicer to do the rest. Just put it in the mouth, and like I said, Hurom HT juicer will take care of everything. This is how the actual juicing happened. This is very, 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 very easy. As long as you have a juicer, of course. We bought 10 pieces of oranges. That is worth 100 pesos or $2. We only used 8 pieces of that, so we can eat it with the pulp and all that. But I guess we made the great decision. See, there are 2 oranges left because the 8 pieces are the ones that we've used to make the juice. Here's the pulp. As you see, it's very fine. It's like 99% of the juice are separated from the pulp. Juicer is really good in terms of getting the juice out. Our human hands could never do that manually. This is the actual pulp, as you see. Okay, so we're done with the juicing. We used a total of 8 oranges, produced 680 milliliter of pure juice, and it has no sugar whatsoever. And we're going to drink it now.
It has plenty of sugar, but just not built in.
Yeah, just the natural sugar.
Oh, give me more.
Okay. Because you said we will you come here. Is that close up? Oh, let's drink. Let's see how it tastes like. I like it because
There's no pulp at all.
there's no pulp at all. No, not only the taste. It's sweet but not so sweet, but it still has this sour thing that makes it perfect. It's very much different from the commercial orange juice.
Yes.
Yeah, this is perfect. This is never gonna be the same from outside. So it's really the best part of juicing is being able to drink the healthiest form of orange juice.
What's the commercial juice is like sour. A little bit of sour. This is not sour at all.
Yeah,
I
but
mean, it has like a sour tang to it, but it's not. Doesn't taste like commercial juice at all.
we found the best oranges, and this is not very ripe orange juice. This is just enough, and it's only 10 pesos somewhere, and it's not in a mall or
It's just at the
upscale
market.
grocery. So it's only 10 pesos. Oh. So that means we used 8 pieces. So this is 80 pesos. Wow.
I'll drink more.
And compare of, I think if I'm gonna eat eight pieces of of this orange juice, I will not enjoy it as much as I'm enjoying it now. The drinking, you know, in terms of convenience and really enjoying. I
It
like
just
that one.
tastes so much better than store bought.
Tastes so much better, really. You really have to try juicing the best way to eat or drink your fruits.
Drink your fruits.
Mm.